I just had a nice invite to Thanksgiving dinner by total strangers. Beautiful family, young family with their kids. I was giving them stuff out of the shed because I have to move and out of the garage and everywhere. And they invited me to Thanksgiving dinner because I'm by myself this year. Just that was good enough for me. But this is how you make Thanksgiving dinner for yourself and still enjoy it and not feel lonely or sad. Sweet potato, which I will cut and have half of. Cranberry sauce, gravy, pumpkin pie, and this is my turkey. Okay, I got my sweet potato cooking in the microwave. What I'm going to do is make hot turkey sandwich Thanksgiving this year, since it's sliced turkey breast. So I'm taking one piece of wheat bread, put that on the plate, and just slice open the turkey breast. Put that on the plate. Pretty good amount. That's pretty good. Then I'm taking this mushroom gravy. I'm just gonna put that in the bowl, put a little water on that, mix it together and put it on top of this and heat it up that way in the microwave. Just stir that up. Not too much water. Just pour that over the top. Get that bread really nice and saturated. And throw that in the microwave. It is. I got the good cranberry sauce. This is the kind with the whole cranberries in it. I hate that overly jellied kind. I got my cranberry sauce ready, my pumpkin pie ready over there. And just heating up the rest of the food. Here is the end results. Nice plate for yourself for Thanksgiving. Easy peasy. Happy Thanksgiving. Whatever you do, don't forget the stuffing. I got this stuffing. Now you sit down and you watch a nice Thanksgiving movie. I always like to watch Trains, Planes, and that other end of it. I don't know if I could say it because of the copyright. The one with John Candy in it. So funny. I always like to watch that on Thanksgiving. That reminds me of Thanksgiving. Now, this is pretty good, but it's a lot saltier than I would have cared for. So you have to make sure that you buy turkey that doesn't have all that salt in it, especially if the gravy is salty. But other than that, it's not too bad. Enjoy.